kasama po natin ngayon si Miss Marge Camacho, ang Secretary General ng Philippine Paddle Association. At mukhang marami kayong mga pinagkakabalaan na mga paddle tournaments na abangan natin for this coming 2025, including yung Philippine National Paddle Tournament na kasalukuyang ginaganap dyan sa Manila Paddle Club dito sa Taguig City. Ma'am Marge, welcome to Sports Corner.
Hello! Thank you for having me dito sa Sports Corner at good afternoon. I'm so happy to be here.
Okay, Miss Marge, of course we have the ongoing, the Philippine National Paddle Tournament, which is happening 2 weekends.
Yes.
The one weekend po, ngayon linggo at Sabado at linggo would be sa mixed tournament.
Okay.
And then, the next weekend would be the men's and women's.
The women. So, may mga categories tayo dyan. We have the novice, tapos we have intermediate, and the open para sa mga women. Tapos for the men naman, meron tayong low intermediate, high intermediate, at saka open. So lahat ng gustong sumali, mag-sign up na.
So this is actually the first tournaments of the
year,
year
yes.
ng PPA.
Yes.
So talagang pinag-anda ng gusto ito ng ating PPA, itong competition na yun, dahil masasaksihan natin not just yung ating mga national team members like sina Attorney Jessica Agra, Christine Patrimonio, The Soletas, and even si Jason Tamayo, nasa US na yun. So, ano ba siguro ang overall assessment nga dito sa unang weekend ng Philippine National Tournament?
Actually, sobrang natutuwa kami kasi maraming sumali. Actually, pinakamalaking pool this time was yung sa ating low intermediate or what we call our intermediate one. Maraming sumali at grabe, sobrang exciting na mga games. This weekend medyo mahangin, so like ang daming mga different na parang different na factors kung nakaka-affect ng game. Pero ngayon, meron na kami mga champion. So, like yours truly, naglaro ako dito sa ating low intermediate. Unfortunately, first place lang kami. Tapos yung nag-champion ay aking mga kaibigan din dito. Sa high intermediate naman po, meron naman ang pangalan ng mga nanalo ay si Aika at si Alex. They actually won against Victoria Clemente at saka si Remco. Ngayon, sobrang different yung mga yung mga naglalaban-laban. It's not the same people. So, magandang sign yan, that means nag-grow talaga yung paddle ngayon.
And later on, we will have the finals of the Open Division.
Yes.
Kung saan tampok natin, of course, and dyan po si Nadine. Pati mo niya, say hi. Ayan. At of course, si Attorney Jessica Agra.
Yes,
Ang two of our members of our Philippine team
Yes, po.
na pinakilala na kahapon ng ating national team natin, led by Attorney Jessica Agra, Christine Patrimonio, and then the Soletas, Bambi, Bien, and Gabi. So, ano ba aasahan natin dito sa Open Finals maya-maya lang?
Grabe, exciting. It could be anyone's game. Actually, hindi ko pa masasabi anong way it would go. Siyempre, of course, like, ang medyo consistent kasi yung mga pagpanalo ni Mikael Chang at saka ni Jessica Agra. However, this could be a game changer kasi ang partner ni Christine Patrimonio ay si Kobe Cuppins. First time nyo magpa-partner together, no?
First time nyo ba?
First time nyo magpa-partner together in the finals ng Philippine Paddle National. So, exciting. So, manunood po tayo mamaya-maya at magsa-start na po tayo.
And of course, kahapon, pinakilala din natin yung ating, nabanggit natin, Women's National Team.
Yes.
Nabanggit natin yung ating mga big names na pasok na dito sa ating national team. So, what about sa men's team?
Sa men's team, medyo to follow po siya kasi
Surprise
secret pa.
muna.
Surprise muna. Pero of course, like sa men's, of course, we have Timothy Berry na naglalaro dun sa kabilang court. But exciting kasi maraming magjo-join ngayon ng mga men sa ating national team this year. At yun yung mga tinatry natin i-grow natin this year.
Ano ba tinatarget yung tournaments for 2025 for our national team under PPA?
So, marami po tayong mga plano. Actually, let's start with, of course, the Philippine Paddle Association National Games. There's going to be, I think, 3 this year. So the second one, I believe, will be in May. And then we'll have the Masters sa dulo. Marami rin tayong mga...
By the way, ang Masters is in partnership with the Philippine Masters Games Association.
Yes po.
of Attorney Alba Agra.
Yes. So I think there's going to be 2 or 3 this year also. Meron din tayo, of course, ito yung exciting kasi nag-grow na tayo ng Juniors League. So, ito na yung mga 12 and up, yung mga ganyan, magkakaroon tayo ng mga category. So, yan na yung next people or the next future generation of paddle participants or the paddle players. So, super exciting and we have a full year of all of that. And of course,
And how about-
yung mga activities natin sa mga cups, we have all women's retreat, magkakaroon din tayo ng mga different developmental activities here sa club at sa PBA.
How about yun sa mga FIE sanction na mga...
FIP, magkakaroon
FIP.
din tayo ng 2 sa Manila, I believe. Tapos magkakaroon rin ng mga Asian tours. So, magiging very participative tayo doon.
What about naman sa mga international competitions? Of course, talagang pinag-aanda ng gusto ng ating mga national paddlers dito sa ating competition and marami kayong nilook forward na mga
Yes.
tournaments for at least gain more points para dito sa ating FIP
Yes.
aside nga sa ating mga podium finishes.
Yes. So, actually, yan yung yan yung goal natin na tuloy-tuloy yung magiging tataas ng ranking natin dito sa FIP. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo ako sundan, papakilala ko sa inyo yung mga nag-champion. Okay lang?
Pero sa susunod na lang kasi medyo malapit na tayo sa ating Open
Okay.
Finals.
Sige.
So, by the way, last question na lamang
Yes
po.
po.
Last February 5, we had a National Girls and Women's in Sports Day. Para nagkaroon kayo ng partnership with different women's allied organizations, Women's Fitness Asia,
Yes, po.
and then meron ata kayong isa pa from Play It Forward.
Play It Forward, Child of Hope also is one of the beneficiaries.
So tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung ating mga grassroots programs, hindi lang ng MPC, but
Yes,
of
po.
course, meron din sa Arcobia Paddle
Yes.
Club. Happy anniversary din sa Arcobia. So, in line with this, kumusta naman ang grassroots activities na rin ng POSF together with the partners?
Sobrang okay kasi ang dami na namin napapagawa ng mga juniors na mga weekend activities. Kasama na rin po yung last na Girls and Women's Day. That was last week, no? That was a Wednesday. Ang dami na talagang tas ngayon every weekend nagpapa-run tayo ng mga junior programs sa Arcovia. So, for those who want to also join and, have good potential for their kids, I think they should come to Manila Paddle Club and find out more
And
about
Arcobia Paddle
and
Club.
Arcobia Paddle Club also.
So, abangan po natin yan at of course, yung mga line up ng mga activities sa PBA. And you may also check out the whole list of the activities sa Facebook page
Yes
and
po.
all
At
the
saka
social
sa Instagram.
page and all the social media accounts
Philippine Paddle
ng Philippine Paddle Association.
Oo.
So,
Sa mga club pages.
okay, so yung pasasalamat na lang sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta ng paddle and of course sa mga sabihin natin mga gusto magkaroon ng interest ka sa paddle, imbitahan mo sila, kumbindahin mo sila, Miss March.
Okay, so lahat ng gusto makapag-try ng paddle, ito ay very fast-growing sport. Unang-una, may free intro to paddle po tayo sa Arcovia Paddle Club with Coach Mike. That's, I think, like every weekend. Tapos may mga time slots tayo. Please check Philippine Paddle Association Instagram for the complete schedule and how to sign up. And then, to those naman who want to like visit us here sa Manila Paddle Club, punta lang kayo dito. Nasa 9th Avenue, BGC tayo.
And of course, pasalamatan nyo na.
And maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta at tumatangkilik dito sa program na Ronda Atleta.
At Sports Corner,
At
please.
Sports Corner.
Alright, so Ma'am Marge, we look forward for more activities sa ating Philippine Paddle Association, and of course, sana malayo pa mararating itong paddle na makilala natin sa international stage sa ating mga Pinoy paddlers natin. More
Yes po.
power, God bless, and see
More
you soon.
power. Thank you po.